Have you ever wondered what happens before meat reaches your plate? A world hidden from view, alive with motion and life. Behind these walls, technology and precision dictate every step. Machines hum. Sensors watch. Nothing is left to chance.
Automation, accuracy, and efficiency, all working together. From remote farms to oceans, every cut begins a global journey and ends where millions of eyes see it, ready for your table. But the story behind every piece of meat is more complex than you imagine. Science, care, and control shape every decision.
Join us as we reveal the hidden world of modern meat processing,
where nature, technology, and humanity converge.
Have you ever wondered how millions of cattle are processed inside massive meat facilities?
Behind stainless steel walls and controlled environments lies a world few people ever witness. By automation,
Is advanced technology truly shaping the future of the global food industry?
Join Diamond Farm as we take you inside modern meat processing peak, where science, efficiency, and responsibility.
Australia's buffalo industry is expanding rapidly.
exports have increased nearly 20% in just 5 years, with more than 2 million wild and farmed buffalo across the country.
But how do these powerful animals thrive beneath the scorching Australian sun? On remote farms, nutrition is everything.
Each adult buffalo consumes between 8 and 15 kilograms of feed every day, a blend of silage, corn. After harvest, feed is carefully prepared, baled, and stored to sustain herds through the dry season.
Buffalo spend up to 8 hours daily chewing and ruminating.
This slow digestive process converts rough forage into strength and muscle.
When a buffalo reaches the ideal weight and condition, its journey shifts towns, from open pasture to processing facility. When a buffalo reaches the ideal weight and condition, its journey shifts towns, from open pasture to processing facility.
At the plant, everything begins with calm.
Animals rest briefly in shaded holding pens, cooled by gentle water mist to reduce heat and stress.
Even a short resting period can help stabilize muscle quality.
Veterinarians move quietly through the pens, checking heart rate, temperature, and breathing.
Every buffalo is inspected, logged, and cleared before moving forward. Nothing proceeds without approval.
Inside the facility, the atmosphere changes.
Machines hum steadily. Stainless steel surfaces reflect bright overhead lights. This isn't chaos, it's choreography.
Automation guides much of the process, assisting trained professionals to ensure consistency and humane handling.
Once humanely stunned, each animal moves onto an overhead conveyor system.
From here, the sequence is carefully timed.
bleeding, hide removal, inspection, carcass division. Advanced cutting systems operate with remarkable precision, reducing waste and preserving valuable cuts. Real-time scanners evaluate color, texture, and fat distribution to meet strict export standards. Even byproducts are utilized. Hides are cleaned and processed into leather goods, ensuring minimal waste.
Large facilities in Queensland can process over 1,500 cattle per day, with extremely low production loss.
A testament to engineering and management efficiency. After inspection, the carcass moves into the splitting and portioning stage.
Computer-guided systems divide it into major sections.
Tenderloin.
Sirloin.
Brisket. Ribs. Shank. Flank.
Each section travels along conveyor lines towards specialized packaging stations. Immediately after cutting, the meat enters rapid chilling systems. Temperatures drop to between 0 and 4 degrees Celsius within hours. This rapid cooling slows bacterial growth, preserves natural color, and maintains texture. Sensors monitor every degree, ensuring uniform treatment before final cutting and packaging.
Vacuum sealing and controlled storage protect freshness.
From there, the cold chain continues through refrigerated trucks, cargo ships, and global distribution networks.
The temperature must never break.
Australia is home to more than 25 million cattle, nearly matching the country's population.
Across Queensland's grass-fed systems and New South Wales and grain-fed feedlots, livestock management varies by region and climate.
Drones monitor herds.
GPS collars track movement. Stockmen on horseback guide cattle across vast landscapes. Before transport, veterinarians conduct final health checks. Only animals weighing between 1,000 and 1,400 pounds and meeting strict standards proceed further in the supply chain.
Once known primarily as a desert companion, the camel has become part of a global meat industry valued at over $1.6 billion. Across arid regions, camels are raised in spacious enclosures protected from extreme heat and sandstorms.
Their diet consists of dry grasses, alfalfa, and coarse grains rich in fiber.
Though capable of surviving with little water, farmed camels are supplied fresh water daily through automated systems.
Inside modern facilities, processing follows strict international food safety standards. Lean meat, bones, and fat are carefully separated.
The meat is transformed into steaks, sausages, dried products, and canned goods.
Camel meat is high in protein and often lower in cholesterol than beef. making it an increasingly important protein source in regions facing shortages.
Native to the Iberian Peninsula, the Iberian pig is among the world's most prized breeds.
Raised freely among oak forests in southwestern Spain, these pigs feed on acorns and wild herbs. A diet that produces richly marbled, flavorful meat. The most valuable cut, the hind leg, becomes the famous Iberian ham.
First, it is salted for approximately 2 weeks to draw out moisture.
Then it is washed and hung to dry in cool mountain air. The curing phase follows. For 12 to 36 months, each ham rests in carefully controlled cellars. During this time, fat gradually integrates into the muscle fibers, creating a distinctive marbling and aroma.
Experts inspect each ham by sight and scent.
When complete, the ham reveals deep ruby red tones and a rich, nutty fragrance crest, a reflection of its acorn-based diet.
In some regions of the world, horse meat is tradition rather than taboo.
From Japan to parts of Europe and Central Asia, it is valued for its lean texture and distinctive flavor. Horses raised for meat are fed balanced diets and carefully monitored.
Once they reach approximately 450 to 600 kilograms, they enter modern processing facilities,
where humane handling is the priority.
After stunning and inspection, cuts are trimmed and deboned before entering temperature-controlled freezing chambers. From there, the meat is distributed globally. Served raw in some cultures, grilled or stewed in others.
Behind every packaged cut of meat lies a complex system of farming, veterinary science, engineering, logistics, and human expertise.
Modern meat processing is not simply industry, Kelly. It is infrastructure,
invisible to most.
Essential to billions.
From open pasture to polished steel. From global shipping lanes to family dinner tables. This is the world behind the label.
Thank you for watching Factory Process Work Farm.
If you enjoyed this inside look at modern agriculture, share your thoughts below, and join us again for the next episode.
Stay curious. Stay connected.